Imagine a 19-year-old American kid who had only $100 in his bank account, no job, no degree, nothing going right in life. But 4 years later, that same kid had over 5 lakh dollars. So his name was Ethan. He lived in a tiny rented room in Ohio. Every night he googled, how do people become rich without rich parents? And one answer kept appearing, invest early even if you start small. So Ethan made a crazy decision. He took his last $100 and bought the S&P 500 index. His friends laughed. His family said, "You should save money, not lose it." But he believed one thing, consistency beat luck. He worked at a coffee shop, made $12 an hour. He did one thing every month. He invested $50 while everyone else bought phones, clothes, and doing parties. He just invested. In 2020, the stock market crashed. Everyone panicked, but Ethan kept investing. The cheap stocks he bought exploded in value. 4 years later, his tiny $50 investments had snowballed into over 5 lakh dollars. He started early, stayed consistent, never stopped. So you don't need to start big, only early. If Ethan can do it with $100, why not you? So start early, keep investing, and surely you will grow in your life. So if you like our video, then please subscribe our channel for more interesting financial stories.